See this, such kind of questions will be asked in GATE. Which of the following is not true? And 4 options are given. So LHS and RHS are given in the equation. Now whenever such a question is given, if you can directly answer the question using your intuition, you can do that. Go ahead and do that. Without using pen and paper, but then I recommend that you follow this procedure, which will not have any errors. Otherwise, if you directly try to do it, there might be some errors. Okay, so the other way of doing it is just by taking the Venn diagram and then writing down all the areas, and using the areas you can see what is LHS and RHS. I'll take an example and explain you with this for this question. See this. Now we have two sets A and B. There is set A, set B. Set A is there, set B is there. This is universal set. Now let's write all the regions. Region 1, which is outside A and B, and region 2. Region 2 is nothing but A minus B. Region 3 is A intersection B, and region 4 is B minus A. We have these 4 regions, isn't it? So since we have only 2 sets, we have only 4 regions, right? So now and even you can even think about the number of regions as well. If we have two sets, the number of regions possible will be 2 power 2. If you have 3 sets, number of regions possible will be 2 power 3. How is it possible? Because if you have n sets like this, so on n sets, a set can be present in a region or it cannot be present. Therefore it is going to give us 2 chances or 2 choices. Therefore 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, therefore that equal to 2 power n regions. So since you have 2 sets, you are supposed to get 4 regions. That is why you got 1 2 3 4. If you have 3 sets, you will be getting 2 power 3, which is for 8 regions, right? So now let's see option A. In option A, LHS is A minus B. Let's see what is A minus B here. So what is A? A is 2 and 3, right? A is 2 and 3. And what is A minus B? A minus B is, it should be present in A but should not be present in B, which is nothing but 2. Then what is A minus B? It is nothing but 3, right? And what about B? So B is the RHS, right? B is 3 and 4, isn't it? So here you got LHS equal to 3 and RHS equal to 3 comma 4. So this is not true. Now look at option B. So even though we have got the answer, the question is which of the following is not true. We got our answer, but still continue. Now see this, A minus B, just we found out that the answer is 3. And what about A intersection B? A intersection B is nothing but 3. Therefore this is true. LHS equal to RHS. Now see the third equation, C, option number C. LHS is A intersection B union A intersection B complement. So let's find it out. So what is B complement? So what is A intersection B? It is 3 union A intersection B complement. So what is A? A is 2 comma 3, isn't it? A is 2 comma 3, and intersection B complement. B complement means whatever is not present in B. So whatever is not present in B is nothing but 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, right? And now what do we get? 3 union. What is intersection of these two? Intersection of these two is 2. So it is nothing but 2 comma 3. So what is 2 comma 3? 2 comma 3 is A. Therefore it is true, isn't it? Because LHS equal to RHS. Now let's see about the D, option number D. B intersection A union B. So what is it? So A union B is 2 3 4, and B intersection A union B, it is trivial, right? So if you are able to figure it out, it is trivial. Otherwise, see this. Now A union B is 2 3 4, and B intersection A union B is 3 4 intersection 2 3 4, which is nothing but 3 4, right? Therefore left hand side is 3 4 and right hand side is simply B, which is 3 4. Therefore it is also true. So which of the following is not true means option is A. Answer is A. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.